Holy shit, guys. The weather is terrible. Look at the palm tree. Look at all those leaves right there. It came off the palm tree. Anyways, so my uncle is still in the ICU. Still not doing good. But I'm gonna take the ST just to go get a haircut and come back home. I haven't really been feeling good ever since he's been in there because I really missed him a lot. But hopefully he's doing better, and I'm always praying for him. So I'm gonna warm this up, go to Poway where I always go to get a haircut, and then the wind is so strong that it's actually blowing my car. Like, I'll let go of the steering wheel and it'll literally just blow my car. Look at that. Holy shit. It's like I'm fighting the wind. Oh look, another blue Fiesta. What's up? I wonder if it's the same one I seen yesterday. Yeah, look at this shit. It literally just blows the car over. That's crazy. It's like, holy shit. I don't even know how to explain it. But damn, that shit is dangerous. So I'm going right now to go get a haircut. I only got one update on my uncle so far, is that he is currently still on a ventilator, and he's getting a tube down his neck, and they're gonna put, it's for food so he can eat, and then that's all we know for right now. But yeah, so for right now that's all we know. There's like a car right next to me. I don't know what he's doing, kind of awkward, but yeah, so he's doing that. It literally blew the traffic light to the side. Look at that. Holy shit, dude. Well, that kind of sucks. It seems like every haircut place in San Diego is closed. Hopefully the taxes place is not closed, so I can at least do that, but now my hair is still going to be scruffy. I don't know how to zoom with this camera. Sorry if you guys hear that, I'm trying to zoom. Hold on. Look at that Supra MK5 A90A B58 Supra, blue one. Well guys, I got a new job, meaning all this time I've been filming, I've been having a lot of time on my hands to make things happen. So tomorrow I start my new job, and it's actually out of town, so it's gonna barely give me any time to focus on my YouTube channel, which sucks. And I want to wrap it around basically my life and, you know, the car scene and stuff like that. It's either or. But all I can say for right now is that I'm gonna try, but it is what it is. You know, I'm not ever giving up. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.